Hello, friends. How are you today? It is a nice Saturday, and I just wanted to go ahead and alert you to this ACE coupon that's in their flyer. You can go to their website. If you're near an ACE, they have $5 off $25 or more for a plant purchase. And a couple of weeks ago, they did have their veggie starts on sale. So I'm sure that that would be included in the sale. So if you needed to get you some veggie starts, you did not start seeds this year, or you need to do some landscaping projects, check out your local Ace Hardware. Again, you see this coupon on there, this week's flyer, April 12th through the 25th. It's now the 23rd, and you can go ahead and take advantage of this sale and possibly get you a whole garden's worth of starts for $20. Because when I went, they were like marigolds, uh, 4 pack for under $3. Um, Starter plants, 4 packs and 6 packs were like $3, $3.99. So you might want to check them out for their starts, check them out for their soil prices. They even have a whiskey barrel planter for 19.99 if you want to go pick up that in 2 plants to just get a start somewhere. So if you pick up that 2 plants or that and a bag of soil, $20, you got a good start. So I want to encourage you to go ahead if you got a little extra, get it together and go ahead and get out here and take advantage of the sales and deals for us gardeners at heart. So I hope you have a great Saturday. Get out and plant a seed and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.